Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Aisha. I'm gonna tell you what is architecture, what the language of architecture. If this is your first time here and you love architecture and want to learn more about it, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In the previous video we talked about architecture as the practice of solving problems. If you haven't watched it yet, you can go to the link down below the description and watch it. Who invited the English language? No, not him. So who invited the Russian German language? If individuals don't create the language, who does? Is it a collective process? The combination of different vocabularies produce different kinds of languages. Music, art, law, fashion, religion. Each of these main words has a distinct of vocabulary. Sounds, modes of behavior, colors, forms, fabric, and so does architecture. Architecture is a group project. It's a network of agents interacting within another. Actually, it's not just about the architects themselves, it's also a network with people, because architectural design made by people to the people. It exists and changes through the communication and exchange of ideas and form between many architects. Architecture is the similarity between buildings. Buildings are physical, concrete objects, right? Architecture is the information that characterizes these buildings. If architecture is the similarity between buildings, what makes the difference? You would tell me the color of the building or the size, materials, and etc. Yes, of course, that's what makes the difference. We called it the style. So, style is architecture, the local language. Style is architecture at particular place time. Styles change through time. So architecture history is a history of styles. Language. We can't understand history without reference to prevailing styles. If you remember the previous video, we mentioned the evolution. So also the style evolved. So if architecture is a language, what is the vocabulary of it? Cubic, rectangular or planar forms, colors, grid, window strip. So, did Le Corbusier or Walter Gropius create or invent the language of modern architecture? No, of course not. Obviously, they saw which way the wind was blowing. In the midst of Babel, they saw the key ideas. They produced models, examples of those key ideas that could be imitated. We speak architecture. Buildings are statements. How well do we speak this language? How well do you speak this language? Tell me in the comments. Be an influent speaker and speak architecture very good. Is this all what is architecture is? Absolutely no, and I'll make more videos describing what is architecture. But before I go, I would like to know your opinion about architecture. Tell me, what is architecture mean to you? Tell me in the comments. Also tell me, how well do you speak this language? And that was all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and good luck.